So in part one on digital twins and sandbox, we covered what digital customer twins are and why they are replacing traditional testing. Now let's talk about how to actually build one, because there is a critical architecture mistake quietly destroying the accuracy of these programs across the industry, and it's more common than you think. Most organizations building customer twin programs are using ChatGPT or similar large language models to analyze the customer data that builds the twins. That is fundamentally the wrong tool. LLMs are built for language. They predict the next word in a sequence. When you ask one to analyze customer data, calculate conversion probabilities, or identify behavioral segments, you're using a poet to do an accounting job. The results sound plausible. They are often statistically nonsensical, and they hallucinate, confidently fabricating customer behaviors and statistical relationships that have no basis in your actual data. The right architecture uses discriminative AI, random forests, gradient boosting, neural networks designed for tabular data. These are analytical engines that identify real patterns and build twin logic from actual customer behavior. Then, after that solid foundation exists, generative AI comes in for the output layer, creating personalized creative variants, writing copy, summarizing what the analysis found. Analytical AI first, generative AI second, never reversed. Once your twin environment is built correctly, you deploy specialized agents into it. Creative testing agents generate campaign variants and test them against customer twins. Budget agents manage virtual ad auctions and optimize spend allocations. Journey agents trigger email sequences based on twin behaviors. Personalization agents generate individualized messages for different segments. Each agent operates exactly as it would in production, but against virtual customers, not real ones. Here is the real power of this. An AI agent sees low email engagement in a simulation, interprets this as message market mismatch, dynamically adjusts the value proposition, and relocates budget. In production, that sequence takes weeks and costs tens of thousands in wasted marketing spend. In the sandbox, it happens in minutes and costs nothing. Winning strategies go to production gradually. Establish clear thresholds. Maybe a strategy needs to beat baseline by 15% across 3 markets. Roll it out to roughly 5% of traffic. Monitor whether real performance matches predictions. Expand when it does. Feel divergence back into the twin models when it doesn't. The system gets smarter with every cycle. What's the worth? After initial setup, digital twins reduces research costs by up to 90%. Gartner predicts that by 2028, 60% of product market teams will use synthetic customer personas before launch, and up to 5% already do it today. Early adopters are already testing strategies competitors won't even consider because the competition can't afford the risk. Marketing has always been part art, part science. Digital customer twins don't eliminate the art. They amplify it by removing the artificial constraints of expensive, slow, risky live testing. When the downside is contained, creative strategists get room to be generally bold. The sandbox is open. The twins are ready. The only question is, what will you test first? So thanks so much. As usual, any questions, reach out on our website, leave them down in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.